There isn't anything better than walking into a fresh bathroom. Do you know what's superior to that? It's easy and simple to make your bathroom smell pleasant. Do you desire to learn how? You will discover that in today's video. Even if it is not your favorite room in the house, having a fresh-smelling bathroom is a sign of attention to detail. The kitchen and the bathroom are the two areas that we always worry about keeping clean and organized, right? There are several products available on the market today that keep your bathroom smelling fresh. These products, which range from scented paper sheets to air fresheners, are relatively simple to locate in supermarkets. However, you will discover how to utilize baby oil to freshen your bathroom in today's video. Do you like this video? What about giving it a thumbs up and telling your friends about it? You'll need these things for it. 1 roll of toilet paper. Baby oil or any other essential oil. Choose the scent you like most because this will be the smell of your bathroom for several days. Instructions. Just add a few drops of the oil of your choice to the toilet paper roll every time you change it. You only need 4 to 6 drops, which is more than plenty. Put the roll in the holder and it's done. The fragrance will spread through the air each time someone uses the paper. Yes, it's that simple. To help keep the odor inside, close the door. In addition, you can do the following to maintain your bathroom smelling fresh. 1. Wash or replace the sanitary brush on a regular basis to keep it clean and to prevent odors. 2. To prevent odors, empty the garbage whenever necessary. 3. At least once a week, clean the space on a regular basis. See? These tips, despite being simple, help a lot to keep your bathroom clean. If you use these suggestions, your bathroom will always be spotless and fragrant. Do you have any tips on how to keep the restroom smelling fresh? Let us know in the comments section below. If you like the video, click the like button and tell your friends about it. Join the channel for more advice and recipes.